are going to love the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, stability control, backup camera, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, passenger airbag, MP3 player, bed liner, brake assist, tachometer, auxiliary audio input. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.